In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Skyscanner. First, a quick heads up before we dive in. Skyscanner is a flight search engine. That means you typically don't check in on Skyscanner itself. After you find and book a flight, you're redirected to the airline or a trusted travel agency, and that's where your booking is managed and where you'll eventually check in. With that in mind, let's walk through the process so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Skyscanner website or app. On the home screen, choose your trip type. If you're coming back to your starting point, pick return. If you only need a single journey, choose one way. And if your trip has multiple stops, multi-city is the best option. Next, set your from location. You can type a city or a specific airport and select from the suggestions. Then enter your to destination the same way. Skyscanner will suggest popular airports, which helps if a city has more than one. Now choose your travel dates. Click into the depart field and pick your outbound date from the calendar. If you're on a return trip, select your return date as well. If your travel plans are flexible, you can explore nearby days to compare prices and find better deals. Before searching, adjust travelers and cabin class. Select how many adults, children, or infants are traveling, and choose economy, premium economy, business, or first, depending on your needs. When everything looks right, click search to see the available options. On the results page, you can refine what you see. If you want to focus on a particular airport for departure, select it from the filters. You can also favor direct flights if you prefer fewer connections. This helps narrow down the list to the most relevant choices for your itinerary. When you find an option that fits your schedule and budget, click Select to view the details. You may be asked to confirm your choice again on an overview screen. Click Select once more to proceed. Skyscanner will then redirect you to the airline or travel agency to complete the booking. After you've booked, you'll receive a confirmation with a booking reference. For check-in, go to the airline's website or app and use your booking reference and last name to check in once it opens, often 24 to 48 hours before departure. That's where you'll get your boarding pass and can review seats or baggage. Keep an eye on your email for any schedule updates, and you're all set.